Get ready with me. So, pipili tayo ng bag for today. Ayan. So, or here. So, since may lakad ako mamaya, so mag-Dior na lang tayo. So, ito yung bag for today natin. So, what fits inside my saddle bag? Of course, ang key. Dadalhin natin car for today is a Mustang. So, meron tayong lipstick. Ito lalagyanan to ng perfume. And ito naman lalagyanan ng candy. Of course, fresh mints. Studio Fix, and then brush. Sa wallet naman, ito yung recently na palagi kong ginagamit. So, ang gamitin natin si Miss Dior. Ito kahapon bumili ako ng bagong blush on sa Dior. May binigay silang perfume na free. Yung tester na naman dalawa. Tapos ito yung blush. So, ito yung lalagyanan ng pack. Sino ka dyan? Ayan, yes. Kasha siya lahat. And maluwag pa. So, ito yung outfit of the day. Ang cute ng shoes natin. Pointy. And then, turno lang. For the accessories, so we have Versace. And then, ito yung watch natin for today. So, ayun. Yung sunglasses natin is LV. So, let's go. Si Daddy naghihintay na sa baba. Instead si Mustang, yung dala nating car for today is si Dodge Baby. And then, coffee lang kami pagkatapos ng lakad namin ni Daddy. Ako lang pala ice cream. Si Daddy ng coffee. So, ayun lang. That's it for today. Bye!